Under God's authority, I'm saying take off my handcuffs, or you all will be crucified. Every single one of you will be crucified if my handcuffs aren't removed. That is my order. Every single one of you will be crucified if my handcuffs aren't removed.
A man walked into a church in Aurora, Colorado. A court had already ordered him to stay away.
Matthew, I need you to come with me. More units.
More units at 701 South Aurora.
I'm your shepherd.
Put your hands behind your back now. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Behind your back. Behind your back.
Put him on his face. Put him on his face. 112, can I get a first check, please?
Listen, I'm your shepherd. They're trying to crucify me again. Get him.
112,
Help me.
10%.
Help me. We're fine. Listen, I'm your shepherd.
I'm going to hold the air code 30 for 701 South Aurora Road.
Help me.
848.
Should I release his right arm?
No.
Let me know.
Yes, if you have
I'm gonna release it.
hold on.
Help me. I'm your shepherd. Help me.
Come on, release this arm. Give us this arm. Relax and give us this arm. You're under arrest. Put your arms behind your back now.
He's breathing, he's fine.
Okay. So we'll have to put some stand them up.
I'm gonna release.
Go ahead, Royce.
112, 112, Adam, first check.
Don't let them crucify me. Don't let them crucify me again.
We need a man.
Do not let them crucify me again. Call my crusaders. Call my crusaders. Someone call my crusaders.
Slow down.
Someone record this. Someone record this and call my crusaders. Someone record this and call my crusaders. All my crusaders. Where are my crusaders? I am the commander of the Lord's army.
This way.
Give me my crusaders.
Bend his knees. Bend his knees. There we go.
Give me my crusaders.
It's okay now. I'm off the lead.
I am the Father of Jesus Christ.
It's the other side.
I don't feel anything on his body.
I am the Apostle St. Matthew. This celebration is for me. And Michael Kearney called the police on me for trying to reveal myself to you. He's a demon. He's a demon. These police officers are demons.
Put his knees towards his torso.
Tell Pope Leo exactly what's going on. The Lion of Judah is being arrested again. King David is being arrested again. King David, your king.
Sit up.
Your messianic king. 1,000 years messianic kingdom. King David, here I am, your Lord and Savior. I am your Lord and Savior. I am your Lord and Savior. King David, these demons will not hold me down. I need my crusaders. Get my crusaders now. Get my crusaders now.
Dude, can you walk up and get to the front? Sir?
Do you need another, does anybody need another unit? 701 South Aurora Road?
No, just a van.
That's fine, that's fine.
You guys don't think you're getting f***ed up by the crusaders?
Sam 20, well, that individual needs to be checked by the
That's
medical.
He's fine, he's fine.
Are you injured at all?
No.
Where?
My wrist hurt.
No, he's not injured.
Fucking goddamn.
No. Twist your wrist
Conscious
this way.
breathing?
Rotate your wrist.
Yes.
That order makes his presence a crime before anything else happens. Under Colorado Revised Statutes, Title 18, Section 4-504, entering a protected location in violation of a restraining order is first-degree criminal trespass. The offense is a Class 1 misdemeanor, carrying up to 364 days. The subject's belief that he had a right to be there is not a legal defense. Assaulting the priest adds a second charge, third-degree assault under Colorado Revised Statutes. Title 18, Section 3-204, when the victim is clergy acting in an official capacity. The charge elevates to a Class 5 felony. That carries 1 to 3 years in the Colorado Department of Corrections. Physical resistance adds a third independent charge, resisting arrest under Colorado Revised Statutes. Title 18, Section 8-103, a Class 2 misdemeanor. This charge does not merge with the others. Every act of resistance on Bodycam is its own evidentiary record.
You guys arrested Jesus again. You guys love to arrest Jesus, humanity.
You
gonna cooperate and walk?
You guys love to arrest Jesus. I can't believe you guys.
Sit up.
Okay.
No, you guys love to arrest Jesus. The King David, the Messiah. I am the Messiah. And you guys are arresting me. The Messiah. I am the King. Take off my handcuffs. Take off my handcuffs. Under God's authority, I'm saying take off my handcuffs. Or you all will be crucified. Every single one of you will be crucified if my handcuffs aren't removed. That is my order. Every single one of you will be crucified if my handcuffs aren't removed.
Let's take him to the front.
Every single one of you will be
We'll
crucified
have to drag him out there.
if my handcuffs aren't removed. You have the Father of Jesus Christ
Sit up, we're gonna
in
go
your
outside,
possession.
right?
No. You guys have the Father of Jesus Christ. The Father of Jesus Christ.
Get the door, please.
The Father of Jesus Christ.
We're good right here. All right. Sit down, buddy.
Thank you.
You're good. Just sit down. We need all those kids staring at this guy doing this. We need all those kids staring at this
You
guy.
guys know Jesus rose. And you know I'm the Father of Jesus Christ. So why would you guys arrest me?
What?
Why would you guys arrest me? Doesn't make sense, right?
Where are you at?
Matthew, there's an order that you cannot be here.
It's a stupid order.
So, like, was
I
he, like,
am
up there
abolishing the
doing all
police.
this?
Pressure on your diaphragm. Can you breathe? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which wrist is hurting you?
He turned him.
No, no.
He turned him, so the
You can breathe, man.
Yeah, I can
Okay.
breathe.
I'm not putting full weight on him. Hey, can you sit up? Can you just sit down?
Yeah, I can sit down.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Because I'm gonna have to apply more pressure, and then at that
Yeah.
point it's gonna get real bad.
I can sit down.
Okay.
All right.
Get my Crusaders, please.
All right, we will. Sit down. Just sit down. Sit up. Sit up, man. All right. Just sit like that.
I've been looking for my Crusaders forever.
Okay. You can walk, right?
Yeah, I can walk.
The medics with me if possible. Or just leave them right here until
Dude.
Check it out.
Do you have anything on you? Any pocket knives, anything like that?
Oh, where's my phone at?
We have
We'll
your
grab
phone.
it.
It's gonna go with you, okay?
All right. Just suspend your feet, please.
I need to go to the hospital. I need my medications.
Yeah, we got.
What medications are you on?
Zoloft, sertraline,
1910 Montgomery Road.
What are those for?
lorazepam. They're all for anxiety, depression, ADHD. I just need my medications.
Matthew's medication disclosure raises a question the court must address. Competency to stand trial. Competency is governed by Colorado Rule of Criminal Procedure 11. The insanity defense falls under Colorado Revised Statutes. Title 16. Section 8-101. Both doctrines are distinct. Competency is about his present mental state. The insanity defense is about the moment of the offense. Incompetency does not dismiss the charges. It delays prosecution until restoration is complete.
Humans love to arrest Jesus. That's what you guys love to do. No matter what, you guys will deny Jesus. Jesus is king because you guys saw his face get crucified, but I was crucified too. And you guys don't care.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
192, can we try a new name for our arrest here?
Go ahead.
Yeah, I searched his code.
Wall 223.
Jack Yankees.
Park your car.
I walked.
You walk all the way up here?
Yeah.
All the way. Where's it?
Your. Like literally that corner.
Oh, I didn't know that.
All of you guys are fired. It's over for the whole Aurora Police Department. I'm taking it apart. You guys will never be police officers again.
Gotta go back to 2.
Fast. Every time we get farmed out, some bullshit happens. Hello.
He's under arrest. He's complaining of wrist pain.
Yo, so
They arrested the
three
Father,
different
Jesus
medications,
Christ.
apparently?
That's what's going on.
He takes medication for what are you saying?
Sertraline and Zoloft and something
Anxiety, all
else.
types of
You want to come to the back of the ambulance? We can check it out.
Yeah.
Stand up for us.
Oh yeah. Did you guys? Taking down or anything?
I wasn't before.
You heard it all?
He said wrist pain.
Okay. Which wrist you searching? Yeah.
The right one.
That was from.
Make sure that you get all the officers' name and they're all fired.
What's your name? No, it's too.
Matthew Saint. I'm King David.
David?
I'm David. King David.
The officers receive a grade of B+. They managed active resistance in a public venue without unnecessary escalation, ran a welfare check mid-arrest, and noted his medical needs. Under Graham versus Connor, the forces evaluated against what officers knew at the moment. Every decision here holds up. The deduction, once secured. Transport should not have been delayed with children present. Matthew receives a grade of D. He violated a court order, assaulted clergy, and resisted arrest on camera. He had the right to remain silent and the right to counsel. He used neither. A court order does not require your agreement to be binding. Violating it creates criminal exposure regardless of intent or belief. If you believe an order is unjust, the answer is legal counsel, not the door the order prohibits. Subscribe for weekly Bodycam analysis. Drop a comment. Should mental health history change the charges? We will see you in the next one.